mathematical operations joined by mathematical operations. So you know mathematical operations. Which are those mathematical operations? Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And this is known as a polynomial. Understood? Here the polynomial is what? It is an expression which contains variables, constants, coefficients and exponents joined by mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Example here is, see, you know what are these variables, constants, coefficients and exponents. Yes or no? A variables means what? That letters A, B, C, D, whatever you use, no, those are called as variables. Variables means what? Its value will be varying. Suppose if you take x plus 2 here is equals to 0, x value is not the same everywhere. In this expression x is equals to minus 2. In this expression x is equals to minus 3. So variable means its value will be varying. That is known as variables. It is represented with the small letters like A, B, C, D. Constants means its value is fixed. Like 2 is a constant. In this algebraic expression x is a variable and 2 is a constant. And coefficients means what? What is that? See, before the letter x, before the variable x, what is the number? You don't have any number. It means that 1 is the number. So what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 1. Before the variable, what number is there? That is known as its coefficient. For example, 3x. In this, what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 3. So power means upon the variable. Upon the variable in this position you have power. No, that is known as exponent. These are called as exponents. X square. In x square, what is the exponent? What is the power of x? 2. Here, what is the power of x is 1. How these are joined? These are joined by the mathematical operation plus, or you may write it as minus, or here 3 into x. 3 is a coefficient, x is a variable. These are joined with into multiplication. So without 3 into x, you can also write it as 3x. Understood? So this is known as a polynomial. This is known as a polynomial. Clear the definition? Polynomial is, once again I will explain. It is an expression. See, this is an expression. 5x plus 2y. This is also an expression. Yes or no? Which contains variables. Here variables are x and y. Constants. Here there is no constant value, because this 2 and 5 is called, what are those? The coefficient, not constants. Constant means here, see, single letter is there, 2 letter, here 2, here 3. These are known as constants. In this there is no constant. Constant coefficient means this 5 and 2 are the coefficient. And the exponents. Exponents means x power, y power. Or how these are joined? They are joined by the mathematical operations. Here 5 into x plus 2 into y. These are all mathematical operations. So after taking the variables, constants, coefficients, how they are joined with mathematical operation. No. After that, what you will get, that is known as polynomial. Clear definition of polynomial. So in polynomial, we have different types. We have different types like linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation. How these expressions are divided? It is divided based on the power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of x. The highest power of x in the polynomial p of x. In the polynomial p of x. The highest power of the polynomial. So the highest power taking p of x. Why I am taking p of x? Because that polynomial contains only the variable x. That polynomial will contain only the variable x. Suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 9 is equals to 0. This is a polynomial which contains only the variable x. That's why it is written as p of x. So here the highest power of x is what? Here x power, you don't have x variable. Here x variable the power is 1. Here x variable the power is 2. Among 1 and 2, which is the highest power? 2. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Given polynomial p of x, the degree of given polynomial p of x. Given polynomial, the degree of given polynomial p of x is 2. Why I am writing 2? So in the given polynomial, what is the degree? It is 2. Degree means what? The highest power of x in the polynomial p of x. In this p of x, which is the highest power, here 1, this is 2. So highest power is 2. So the degree of this given polynomial is 2. Clear about degree of the polynomial? First you have learned about polynomial, now degree of the polynomial. Now, based on this degree of the polynomial, polynomials are divided into different the polynomial. Suppose think this is a polynomial p of x is equals to ax plus b. For a linear polynomial, you will get a graph straight line. So in case of a quadratic polynomial, you will get a parabola. So this is called parabola, and this is also parabola. So here you may get like this, or you may get like this. If here it is touching at a single point, here it touching the x-axis at 2 points, or you may get like this. So parabola, the shape of the quadratic polynomial will be like this only. This is called parabola. What it is called? Parabola. So if you try to plot quadratic polynomial on the graph, you will get this shape like this parabola. Clear? 1. P of minus 1 is equals to 5 into, in place of x you substitute minus 1 plus 5. 5 into 1. See, plus it minus minus, 5 ones are 5. Here plus 5. What is minus 5 plus 5? Plus 5 minus 5 get cancels. You will get 0. See, for x is equals to minus 1. For x is equals to minus 1. You will get P of x as 0. Yes or no? If you substitute x is equals to minus 1. In place of x you have substituted minus 1. Here minus 1. 5 plus it minus minus, 5 ones are 5 plus 5. You are getting 0. For x is equals to minus 1 you will get P of x is equals to 0. So this x is equals to 1 is minus 1 is called zeros of the given polynomial. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 is called zeros of polynomial, zeros of the polynomial 5x plus 5. Clear? For x is equals to minus 1 is called the zeros of the polynomial 5x plus 5. You may get x value more than 1. Here for x is equals to minus 1. You may get x is equals to plus 1 or whatever. So for linear equation, you understood? For linear equation, so not only for linear equation, zeros of the polynomial means what? For a certain value of x, this P of x will be 0. That certain value of x is called the zeros of the polynomial. Suppose we are taking P of 1, P of minus 1 we are substituting, we are getting 0. So x is equals to 1 is called zeros of the polynomial. Clear? How to get zeros of the polynomial? So first, how to find out zeros of the polynomial? Equate the given polynomial with 0. You will get x value. Now try to substitute this x value in the given polynomial, you will get 0. So in that case, for what value of x you are getting the polynomial 0? That is called as the zeros of the polynomial. Clear? So for certain value of k, for certain value of x is equals to k, we don't know. For this you know x is equals to minus 1. For any polynomial, for x is equals to k, if P of x is equals to 0, means after substituting x as k, you will get P of x is 0, no? In that case, k is called zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Understood? Now what is zeros of polynomial is? For a certain value of x is equals to k, if you substitute in place of x one value k, it may be anything, either it may be natural number, whole number, or integer, or rational number, irrational number. If P of x is equals to 0, then k is called the zeros of the polynomial. Here we have substituted in place of x minus 1. It means that k is equals to minus 1. It means that k here it is minus 1. If you substitute minus 1,